Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your workspace and assets so editing flows immediately. First, open Final Cut Pro and create a new library and event. Import a handful of clips and generate optimized or proxy media where needed. Once done, set a project preset, frame rate, resolution that matches your main footage, and make bins or keyword collections to keep clips sortable. This prevents messy timelines and saves time later when you trim, sync, or color grade. You now refine structure and timing using a predictable workflow. Start by building a tight rough cut on the primary storyline, then use trim tools, ripple, roll, slip, to tighten pacing, cut with blade for hard edits. Once clips sit right, sync multicam or separate audio, assign audio roles for quick balancing, and add basic color correction to establish look and exposure. Make compound clips for complex segments, save frequently, and use keyboard shortcuts to move faster as you polish sequences. You finish by preparing deliverables and checking technical settings. First, add final titles and motion elements, then perform a last color and audio pass. Export using correct codec, resolution, and bitrate for your platform. Once done, generate roles-based stems if needed and verify master playback. If export fails or playback stutters, make sure media is linked and proxies rendered. Delete render files and re-render. Or reset Final Cut Pro preferences as a troubleshooting step to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.